Curious about the latest tech making fleet maintenance easier? Wondering how small changes today could save you big money in downtime tomorrow? You're in the right place. Hey, work truck friends, welcome back to Truck Chat, your go to source for original insights and standout features, shaping the world of vocational trucks, vans, and fleet management. I'm your host, Lauren Fletcher, and today we're digging into the biggest stories shaping the fleet world this April 2025. We're covering smarter maintenance, faster repairs, new safety strategies, and how the latest innovations are reshaping fleet operations. But before we jump in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you never miss an episode. Let's get started.
For this month's fleet news, we have one more recommendation for you. That's because Dave Slade, Chevron's chief technologist, sat down with FreightWaves to talk about the lower carbon journeys of their fleet customers. It's a great conversation with insights into today's solutions and tomorrow's targets. You can find the full episode in the resources at regi.com.
First up, rugged tech is hitting the shop floor and it's making a real difference. Road to the Repair Shop, Impact of Rugged Devices on Fleet Maintenance highlights how durable laptops and tablets are giving fleets a serious edge. These devices keep technicians connected no matter where they are, help speed up diagnostics, and even predict failures before they happen. Long battery life, modular designs, and field-ready durability means less downtime, fewer repairs, and smoother operations, even when the job site isn't exactly tech-friendly. If your crews are still struggling with dead batteries or delicate laptops in rough conditions, it's time to see how rugged tech is paving the road to better fleet performance. Next up, liftgates are getting a serious upgrade. 5 reasons to consider a hydraulic-free electric liftgate dives into how RISE Robotics' new belt-drolic railgate is changing the game. No more oil leaks, heavy hydraulics, or constant maintenance headaches. Instead, you get smoother operation, faster lift cycles, energy regeneration, and a lighter setup that even boosts payload capacity. With built-in intelligence for telematics and real-time monitoring, this liftgate is designed to work harder, last longer, and save fleets real money over time. If liftgate downtime has ever thrown off your deliveries, this one's worth a closer look. Now let's talk about something that no fleet can afford to overlook: accident response. Accident Management 101, Why Early Reporting and Post-Crash Protocols Matter More Than Ever, covers why how you respond in the first few minutes after a crash can shape everything that follows, from claims to courtrooms. Fast, accurate reporting protects your drivers, locks in critical evidence, and helps insurers manage claims faster and better. Plus, we dive into how technology like dash cams and real-time adjuster support is helping fleets stay protected when it matters most. If you don't have a clear accident procedure in place or haven't revisited it in a while, this article shows why now is the time. And spring is finally here, and it's the perfect time for a fleet checkup. Spring Cleaning, 5 Tips to Prep Your Fleet for Warmer Weather, lays out why fleets need more than just a quick wash this season. We're talking tire checks, brake inspections, swapping out worn wipers, and making sure critters didn't set up shop under the hood during winter. Plus, it's a great reminder to refresh driver safety training as construction zones and busier roads start picking up. Don't wait until a small problem turns into major downtime. A little spring prep now can save a lot of headaches later. Let's switch gears and talk about maximizing your data. Making the most out of digital work orders shows how today's smart fleets are using digital tools to improve shop efficiency, cut downtime, and stay ahead on preventive maintenance. Tracking things like estimated versus actual repair times, labeling delay reasons, and prioritizing urgent repairs gives managers real actionable insights. The best part? Once it's digital, reporting gets easier, and you can fix workflow issues before they grow into bigger problems. If you're serious about running a tighter, more efficient shop, this one's a must-read. And stay tuned for the upcoming Fleet 101 video digging even deeper into this topic. Now for a little inspiration. The Fleet Journey David Hayward shares the story of how one fleet leader turned an unexpected career twist into a purpose-driven mission to make fleets safer, smarter, and stronger. After facing a devastating accident early in his career, David made fleet safety non-negotiable. Today, he's using data, AI, and a collaborative leadership style to help shape the future of fleet management, reminding us that no matter how fast technology changes, leadership and heart are still what move us forward. Ready to share your journey? We have a Fleet Manager and Fleet Partner Journey series open now. Submit your story today. Before we wrap, let's hit a few quick hits you may have missed. Small Business Week 2025 is May 4th through 10th. Are you managing a small fleet? We pulled together 10 of our best tips, tools, and strategies to help you cut costs, boost efficiency, and stay safer on the road. Upfit Package of the Year entries are open. If you've built an upfit that improves safety, saves time, or simply makes life easier on the road, now's your chance to show it off. Entries are open and winners will be recognized by real fleet managers next year at Work Truck Week. And Georgia DOT is rolling out e-ticketing requirements starting in 2026 with dual ticketing pilots already underway. If you're working DOT projects, make sure your fleet's ready for full GPS tracking and digital ticketing. A new survey from EVAI shows fleet managers are eager to adopt EVs, but they're still running into barriers like high upfront costs, infrastructure gaps, and a serious lack of real-time TCO tracking tools. And finally, the Florida Trucking Association launched its Jobs Beyond the Wheel initiative, spotlighting all the high-earning, high-skill jobs in trucking that go way beyond just driving, from diesel technicians to logistics and safety experts. And that's a wrap on this month's Truck Chat feature recap. If you liked what you heard, there's even more where that came from. Head over to worktruckonline.com for daily updates, subscribe to our newsletter, and follow us on social media for more videos, stories, and resources you won't want to miss. And of course, subscribe to Truck Chat so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching. I'm Lauren Fletcher, and I'll see you next time.